Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. With QuickBooks Enterprise, you can use reports to gain better insight into inventory levels, costs, and sales to make informed decisions. Let's go over how to run and customize reports that give you deeper insights into your inventory. To run an inventory report, select Reports, Inventory. Let's start with one of the most basic reports, Inventory Stock Status by Item. This report shows you what you have in stock, on purchase order, and on sales order. The report lists all of the inventory you need to reorder. You can also select Create Auto POs to send purchase orders to each of your suppliers for all of the inventory that is at its reorder point. Depending on how many different items your business carries, this report can become quite long. That's why QuickBooks helps you organize this report and others with categories. You can assign categories to items to help you organize reports, record sales faster, and grant automated discounts. Check out this video to learn more about item categories. If you want to change the report, select Customize Report. From here, you can add columns to display more information, or use filters to narrow the information down. To see just one category of inventory, select the Category filter, and then select the category of inventory you're looking for. Then select OK. Now you'll see the same report, but only about inventory in the category you selected. If you use the Advanced Inventory feature, you can also check your stock by lot or serial number. Go back to Reports, Inventory, and run the Inventory Stock Status by Lot Numbers report. This report gives you similar information, but broken down by serial and lot number to help you look up information quickly. These stock status reports help you see how much inventory you have on hand. To see how much the inventory is worth, run the Inventory Valuation Summary report. This report still gives you your quantity on hand, but it also tells you the asset value, which is what you paid for it, the retail value, which is what you expect to sell it for, and more. This report helps you see your inventory levels right now. To see how your transaction history got you to these levels, run the Inventory Valuation Detail report. This report lets you set a date range, and then see what your inventory levels were at the start of that date range, every transaction you had that affected inventory between the two dates, and then where you ended up at the end of the date range. If the quantity on hand doesn't look right on this report, or others, it might be time to take inventory. QuickBooks Enterprise helps you out with that too. Run the Physical Inventory Worksheet to print or export a report that can help your team count your inventory and help you verify what's in QuickBooks. Note that this report also includes a category column in flat view to help you manage your inventory more efficiently. Last, it's always a good idea to check up on sales reports to see what products are selling and what aren't. For that, run the Sales by Item Summary report. QuickBooks organizes this report by category as well, and from here you can see how much of each inventory item you sold, along with other details like the total dollar value of the sales, and even your margins. Now you're ready to run inventory reports and make informed decisions in QuickBooks Enterprise.